Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class.
Students, today we will sing a sweet rhyme on page number 55. Ding dong bell, ding dong bell. Let's sing together with action. Ding dong bell, who's in the well? Who put her in, little Tommy Thin? Who pulled her out, little Johnny Strout? Oh, what a naughty boy was he! To draw poor pussy cat. Dear students, this poem teach us kindness. We should never hurt animal and always help them if they are in trouble. Be a good and kind child.